Hi, Dick Rochfort. I wanted to discuss with you today the little green arc on the top of the display.
M600, copy. You can maintain the block.
Right
flight
in
level
here.
240, flight level 260 now.
Many pilots who are new to high altitude aircraft, if it's your first turbine, you might not be aware that there's something on the autopilot called a bank button. This one right here. And in the M600, the Piper M600, and have I mentioned it's a beautiful airplane? The bank is activated automatically in the flight levels.
248 contact, Moncton Center 127.1.
What that does is, it lets you know first that it's activated by the green arc, and then it limits the bank angle. So the limiting arc there is because density altitude is such that steeper banks might be closer to a loss of control. So it's just one of these features that has been incorporated into the G3000 and the M600 aircraft that make this even more pleasant to fly than you might imagine. This is Dick Rochfort. Fly safely. Train often.